Greetings everybody, today we'll talk about one of the rarest and fastest W203s in the world, and which one is the best for your happiness today if you want to buy one. Let's start from weirdest AMG in history. AMG did something very interesting with W203. They offered fully tuned inline 5-cylinder 3-liter turbocharged diesel engine that generated 230 brake horsepower and insane 530 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 happened in 6.8 seconds, but that pull was crazy. Every time you touched the pedal, you waited for a few seconds and then the car went like a rocket. And all that power did not drink much fuel, only 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers, thanks to the diesel engine. After diesel experiment, AMG went back to their roots and they tuned the 3.2-liter V6 petrol engine by installing supercharger, and now it developed 350 brake horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 happened in 5.2 seconds. Then AMG went totally mental on W203 and smashed very big 5.5 naturally aspirated V8 into this very small C-Class. It developed 362 brake horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. 100 kilometers happened in 5.2 seconds. And that W203 with 5.5 V8 is considered to be the perfect C-Class in the world. But before the AMG even saw the new W203, Brabus already made 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6. What they did, they took standard M112 engine, increased displacement from 3.2 to 3.8, gave it a custom crankshaft with a longer stroke, new con rods and bigger pistons. Also, the top end of the engine was rebuilt with the new camshaft and valves, and stainless steel exhaust for this wonderful noise that it has. All that work generated 300 purest brake horsepower. Then AMG made a V6 with the supercharger, so Brabus said, we are going to destroy that V6 and put again a huge V8 into the gentle C-Class. That V8 was 5.8-liter naturally aspirated. That generated 400 brake horsepower and 580 Nm of torque, and together with 5-speed automatic gearbox, 100 kilometers happened in 4.7 seconds. Renntech also tried the luck with W203. First, they offered package for a non-AMG, the 3.5 V6. They offered just ECU tuning and air intake, and that's it. All that generated 290 brake horsepower. Then they had the second package for the 3.2-liter supercharged V6 from AMG, also a ECU upgrade and a larger crankshaft pulley and also a big airbox. All that generated 394 brake horsepower. And third package was for that massive V8, but not much options were offered, just an ECU upgrade and a bigger airbox. But you had a very good bump in the horsepower, 385. Today for me the best W203 is of course the C55 AMG, and it's one of my dream cars, and I like that it's available for average person like me today. And you can get a decent W203, good interior for adequate amount of money. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what do you think about my video and what is your favorite W203. I notice many of you watch my channel without subscribing, and that's very creepy, so stop being creepy and subscribe. Take care and bye bye.